increasing regulation, competitive pressures that never cease, and a continuous drive for operational efficiencies. Those are three key things that trading floors are facing each and every day. Hi, my name is Greg Crawford. I'm the editor of Tab Forum, joined today by Jonathan Morton, Vice President of Product Marketing at IPC. Jonathan, good to see you.
You too, Greg. Good to see you.
So we're going to spend some time talking about these three issues and some of the ways that trading floors are dealing with this and some of the solutions that are out there. And Jonathan, you were here a few months ago and we were talking about some of these issues around communications and how to communicate better across the trade life cycle. And since we've spoken, IPC has come out with a new platform around these issues. So I wondered, first of all, if you could kind of give us the 50,000-foot view, sort of the genesis behind the new platform that you guys have released.
We have, Greg. About 18 months ago, IPC embarked on this development really with a clean slate and a clear message from our customers regarding their needs for trading floor communications. And what they're facing really is, as you mentioned, both increased competitive pressures and the need for more transparency across the trade life cycle. And so one of the things that you'll see from the Unity solution from IPC is that we've developed devices that are geared to address those communication needs very specifically.
Okay, so that gives us kind of a good overview of Unity, which is the name of the new platform. Can you drill down a little bit for us, Jonathan, and talk to us specifically about the communications piece and the applications piece?
Yeah, so Unity is a single, unified trading communications and applications platform.
Right.
And with that in mind, one thing that we set out to do was to develop devices and applications that were not just focused on the trader, but the other users, the research analysts, the portfolio managers, and the economists, those other additional users to provide communications between them and the traders. We also wanted to address the needs of the compliance and risk departments who need to stay in the loop as the trades progress from the front office to the middle office to the back office. So there was a definite focus on the collaboration needs across all of those users. The other thing that we did was, this is, as I mentioned, it's not only about communications, but it's about applications as well. So this is, IPC is delivering applications that will sit on the platform, available to all the different users. But another key element is that we're providing the interfaces for our customers to develop applications as well, and third parties, so that they can develop specific solutions to their needs as they come about for each firm.
So there's almost like a customization piece bundled into it?
Exactly right. Yep.
Okay. It sounds, the platform being so robust, if you will, with the communications piece and the applications piece, sounds like it's tailored to a big institution. I mean, is it something that is that what you guys were targeting? Is that the market you were targeting, or not?
So one of the things that's unique about Unity is that it is geared to not only the large institutions, but the very small and medium-sized firms as well, with the smaller trading floors. And one of the ways that we accomplished that was the fact that the system is largely software-based. So we've moved from a very hardware-intensive platform to essentially a software-based platform.
Okay.
And that reduces the footprint by about 80%, and it reduces the power consumption by about 50%. So it's very much in line with the green initiatives that many of our customers face currently. I think also there was a tremendous focus on reducing costs and increasing operational efficiency. So when it comes to enterprise management of the system, alarm monitoring, rapid deployment to emerging markets, scalability, the Unity solution really addresses those needs in a completely new and unheard manner.
Okay, that's pretty neat. So you know probably as well as anyone, Jonathan, that people are continuously developing new technologies to address these issues, whether it's regulatory, competition, ways to do things better, to create a better mousetrap. Operational efficiency is huge on Wall Street, right?
Sure.
So I'm wondering whether when you're walking out of a place after giving a presentation on Unity, talking about it, who's sort of walking in on your heels that's got something that's similar? I mean, how's the market stacking up competition-wise from your perspective?
So I think really what differentiates this solution from the others that are out there are a couple of things. One is the fact that it is a unified communications and applications platform, completely unique in the industry. The other is the focus on collaboration, so it's really the communication devices and the solution is designed not just for the traders, but these other users that really fall across the trade life cycle. And I think finally there's some tremendous disaster recovery capabilities built into Unity as well. So we have options both for from the basic to the very sophisticated to address the needs across all types of users.
Okay, interesting, very good. Well, I think we'll leave it there. So there you have it. Again, we've got regulatory pressure, competition, operational efficiencies, ways to manage those three key areas, and IPC's got a new solution that kind of addresses those from a communications and an applications perspective. So Jonathan Morton, Vice President of Product Marketing at IPC, thanks for joining us.
Thanks,
My name
Greg.
is Greg Crawford, editor of Tab Forum.